Have you ever wondered what exactly happens inside your body if you start eating a fresh salad every single day? It's not just about weight loss, it's a total biological upgrade. First, let's talk about your gut. Most of us don't get enough fiber, but a daily salad changes that immediately. Insoluble fiber acts like a broom, keeping your digestive system regular and preventing constipation. More importantly, the polyphenols and fiber in your greens are fuel for your gut's beneficial bacteria. A happy gut means a stronger immune system and even a better mood. But the real magic happens in your bloodstream. Science shows that regular salad eaters have significantly higher levels of vitamin C, E, folate, and carotenoids. These antioxidants fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Studies over 23 years found that one salad a day can reduce cardiovascular disease risk by up to 26%. Are you worried about aging? Leafy greens are packed with vitamin K and lutein, which slow down cognitive decline as you get older. It's literally food for your brain. And for your skin, the high water content and vitamins provide a natural glow that no expensive cream can replicate. Now, a quick pro tip. Your body needs fat to absorb many of these nutrients. If you eat a fat-free salad, you might be missing out on vitamins A, D, E, and K. Always add a little olive oil, avocado, or nuts to unlock the full power of your vegetables. If you're new to this, start slow to let your digestion adjust. But once you start, your body will thank you with more energy, better digestion, and a healthier heart. So, are you ready to eat the rainbow today?